Dialpad pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think Dialpad is just a VoIP phone system. The surprising truth is, Dialpad is a cloud-based communication platform combining voice, messaging and video, powered by it to improve productivity and customer experience. Dialpad offers 4 pricing tiers. The standard plan starts at per user per month and includes unlimited calling in the US and Canada, SMS messaging and basic call management. This is ideal for small teams or startups that need reliable, cloud-based communication. The Pro plan costs per user per month and adds integrations with CRM platforms, call recording, voicemail transcription, and analytics. Teams benefit from smarter insights and more professional communication features. The Enterprise plan is custom priced and includes advanced security, AI-powered call coaching, custom reporting, and dedicated support. This plan is suitable for large businesses with complex workflows and compliance requirements. Dialpad also offers specialized products like Contact Center and Cell, which are tailored for customer support and sales teams. Features like real-time coaching, sentiment analysis, and call tagging help improve performance and client interactions. In conclusion, Dialpad pricing reflects both team size and functionality. From basic calling and messaging to advanced AI features for sales and support, Dialpad provides a scalable, cloud-based communication solution that enhances productivity, collaboration, and customer satisfaction across organizations.